Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, first of all, my name is Octaviani Eka Saputri with student ID number 192100134 from the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program, Class A2 2019. Here, I will present about identify the article. Analysis of student learning difficulties in learning Indonesian in class 5 SD Negeri 20 Meulabo, West Aceh District 2015 to 2016 academic year. Have a good time watching. Identify article.
Analysis of student learning difficulties in learning Indonesian in class 5 SD Negeri 20 Meulabo, West Aceh Regency 2015 to 2016 academic year.
Who made this article is Safni Febri Azhar with email safniazhar@gmail.com from STKIP Bina Bangsa Meulabo with his college name Madratilah with email madratilahregister@gmail.com from STKIP Bina Bangsa Meulabo. Table of content, introduction, literature review, research method, result and discussion, and conclusion.
1. Introduction.
Burning issues. The burning issues discussion in this study is about student learning difficulties in learning Indonesian in class 5 SD Negeri 20 Meulabo, West Aceh Regency 2015 to 2016 academic year.
Research problem. The problem in this study is the difficulties that are often faced by elementary students in dealing with learning Indonesian, difficulties in understanding the text and also difficulties in understanding language skill in the Indonesian language material. This is also caused by several factors, both internal and external. One of the subjects that caused the student of SD Negeri 20 Meulabo to experience learning difficulties is the Indonesian language subject. Based on the result of student learning data for class 5 obtained from homeroom data for class 5, it can be said that there are 16 students, 72.7% of the 22 students who have an average Indonesian language score below the specific KKM, which is 70. This shows that students have difficulty in Indonesian subject. Relevant literature. Sugihartono 2007 149 defines learning difficulty as a symptom that appears in student characterized by lower learning outcomes or below the established norms. Sugihartono 2007 explains that the learning outcomes of students who have learning difficulties, whose learning outcomes are lower than the minimum competence criteria KKM, can also be called learning difficulties. According to Sabtono 2003-21, in developing Indonesian language learning, teacher must realize that this lesson is more than a collection of facts or concepts, but also a collection of process and values that can be developed in real life. Many students are unable to develop their understanding of the concept of Indonesian language lesson because the knowledge, actuation, and the process are not well integrated, so that students experience difficulties in learning Indonesian. The aim of the research. Based on the research above, the objectives of this research are follow. 1. To describe the learning difficulties of students in Indonesian class 5 SD Negeri 20 Meulaboh West Aceh Regency in the 2015 to 2016 academic year. 2. To describe the factors that cause difficulties in learning Indonesian in the 5th grade of SD Negeri 20 Meulaboh West Aceh Regency in the 2015 to 2016 academic year.
2. Literature review.
Subhana in Madratillah 2016-15 in the curriculum 2013. Indonesian language lessons are integrated with other lessons. The goal is for students to be skilled in using language. Sujono 2003-4 Student difficulties in learning Indonesian. 1. Difficulty using concept. 2. Difficulty learning to use principles. 3. Difficulty in determining essay question. Depdiknas 2007-124 Indonesian language learning is directed at increasing the ability of students to communicate in Indonesian properly and correctly, both speaking and reading, as well as fostering an appreciation of the work of Indonesian human literature.
3. Research method. Research method. The research method used in this research is descriptive qualitative research.
Data collection questionnaire. This questionnaire aims to determine the factor causing the difficulties faced by 5th grade students of SD Negeri 20 Meulaboh West Aceh Regency in learning Indonesian lesson. 1. Interviews. Interviews were used by researchers to explore information about student learning difficulties in learning Indonesian. The interviews used were flexible, not too tight, not in a formal atmosphere, and were referred to other information. Sources of information are 5th grade students of SD Negeri 20 Meulaboh in the implementation of the interview technique. The research made interview texts that were distributed to informants so that the interviews did not take long. Documentation. According to Sugiono 2015 329 states that the document is a record of events that have passed. Documents can be in the form of writing, pictures of monumental works of someone. Document in the form of writing such as their life history, biography, regulation, and policy. Documents in the form of image such as photo, live image, sketches, and others. Document in the form of works, for example, work of art, which can be in the form of picture, sculptures, films, and others. Document studies are complementary to the use of observation and interview methods in qualitative research. Data analysis. The data analysis technique used by the author is to follow the steps of data analysis according to Miles and Huberman, 2007, 148. 1. Data reduction. 2. Data display, data presentation. 3. Conclusion drawing, verification. 1. Data reduction. The data obtained from the field is quite a lot, for that it is necessary to record it carefully and in detail. The longer the researcher is in the field, the more the amount of data will be complex and complicated. For this reason, it is necessary to immediately conduct data analysis to data reduction. 2. Data display. After the data is reduced, the next step is to present the data. The presentation of the data in this study is a narrative text. By presenting the data, it will be easier to understand what happened. Plan further work based on that has been understood. 3. Conclusion drawing or verification. The third step in qualitative data analysis is drawing conclusion and verification. The initial conclusion part forward are still temporary and will change if no valid and consistent evidence is found when the researcher returns to the file to collect data. Then the conclusion put forward are credible. In this qualitative research, the researcher used data analysis steps including data reduction, data presentation, and data verification. Respondent. The subject in this study were all 5th grade students of SD Negeri 20 Meulaboh, Johan Pahlawan District, West Aceh Regency, totaling 22 students. The students in the class consisted of 13 boys and 9 girls. 4. Result and discussion.
Result. The result of this study are about student learning difficulties in Indonesian Class 5 SD Negeri 20 Meulaboh, West Aceh District, 2015 to 2016 academic year.
Result. 1. Study who enjoy learning Indonesian, 10 students. 2. Students who don't like Indonesian listen, 12 students. 3. Students who always come to school on time before the lesson start so as not to miss the material given by teacher, 22 students. 4. Students of if given an assignment of homework, do it themselves. 12 students who, if given assignment or homework, are done with the help of others. 7 students. 6 students who are given assignment of homework are done in group with their friends. 3 students. 7 students who say it difficult to understand Indonesian lesson. 16 students. 8 students who easily understand when the teacher explain Indonesian lesson. 12 students. 9 students who are unclear or do not easily understand when the teacher explain the Indonesian language lesson. 10 students. 10 students who understand when the teacher delivers the material. 6 students. 11 students who do not understand when the teacher delivers the material. 16 students. 12 students who have print book or package and with books. 18 students. 13 students who do not have print books or package as with books. 4 students. 15 students said that the facilities and infrastructure at the school were good. 22 students. 15 students will say that teachers do not use media during the learning process. 16 students. 16 students who say that teachers sometimes use media during the learning process. 6 students. From the result of the research table above, it can be said the facilities and infrastructure in the school are very adequate for the student learning process. And most of students from the research are very diligent and enthusiastic in learning Indonesian. It just that there is a lack of teacher in the use and utilization of media other than printed book or package. Thus, students do not understand the material given by teacher because of the lack of media assistance such as InFocus and so on, and also of course students feel bored with learning carried out, especially in Indonesian lesson. 5. Conclusion. After analyzing and researching and discussing the difficulties expressed by students in understanding the material and paying attention to the research objectives, said it is necessary to draw several conclusions. Student difficulties in understanding Indonesian language material were felt by 16 students of class 5 SD Negeri 20 Maulaboh. Student difficulties in understanding Indonesian language material are triggered by several things, especially the teacher less than optimal ability, not using the right method, and the unavailability of handbooks for students.
Thank you for watching.